Hi guys! So we found this 4-acre corner lot in a small town after searching for a long time and purchased it since it was in the country, not in a subdivision, and fairly flat. Since it was close to the mountains, yet near to shopping and restaurants, and only an hour from our houseboat on Lake Lanier in Georgia, we went for it. We're Dave and Karen from Walks on Wheels, and we sold our sticks and bricks to RV full-time now that we are retired. We travel with our heavy-duty truck Leroy, our 2 K&M motorcycles, our DRV Dixie, and our smart car Zippy. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell to be notified when we post a new video. We hired a builder, had a soil test completed, and had the drawings made. Once we figured where the buildings and driveways would go, we started to clear trees. Well, they've cut the driveway in, gotten rid of a bunch of trees. Guess it's gonna happen. Although the lot looked fairly flat, it had enough of a swale to require many loads of dirt to be brought in to level it off for the house and the RV garage. There's the water. There's where the meter's going. Measuring out placement for the house and the RV garage.
I don't know, man. I think we should have had 10 acres.
Yeah.
Now we ain't got enough room.
Well, starting to get it boxed in. I could do a foundation. And the RV garage is over there. You see the stakes in the ground. So back in here, we'll have a fire pit, a patio, another patio behind the master bedroom for a hot tub. Front of the house is way over there, facing those trees. So back here in the patio area, we have this for good privacy. And here's all this wood that Dave's going to do something with it. He just doesn't know what yet. And the RV garage is going to be over there. That's going to be the entrance driveway where those guys are. And then the exit driveway is over here. We wanted to be able to pull into the RV garage easily and straight through to exit. So we have a long curved driveway going through and around the RV garage. We weren't able to put the entry driveway where we wanted it around the corner of the property because of a creek running through the property. We moved the RV garage several times to try and get it just right for the long swing in and not to be too close to the house. We finally figured it out. We are going to take Leroy out for a little exercise. Gonna travel up to the property and see how it's going. Sounds good. So, since we're taking Leroy up to the new lot, we thought we would take it around the way we would bring the RV in and see what it's going to be like. Sure is pretty when it's all greened up like this. We've had plenty of rain, which is postponing the build. Going to pour concrete for the garage, RV garage, tomorrow. And then it'll be, that's Wednesday, then it'll be Saturday before they'll pour it for the house. We got another guy over here that's got a covered area for his RV. That's the old historic home that was on our neighbor's lot, and it got moved down here. Think it'll work, Dave?
Get better.
Now we got to see about the turn into the driveway. originally was 8 acres, got cut into 2 4-acre lots. And our neighbor on his side decided to cut all his trees down. You'll see that in a minute. I mean, we got some beautiful acreage out here with horse farms. And this was our neighbor's lot. And he hasn't done anything with it since.
Just decided to destroy it.
I don't know what the deal is. Right there's the edge of our lot. Coming around this corner. And then that will be our entrance driveway.
Ain't leveled this one out yet.
Supposedly they did. You want to pull up there?
If I can.
It's muddy out here.
Oh, is it?
Well, here we are. Got the plumbing in. I think they got the electrical started or something. There's where we come in at. And then there's the road out there. And then they'll be able to drive around the side to go out the exit driveway, and also be able to park an RV there if we have a visitor. So this is the RV garage. Get poured on Wednesday. Gonna be 14 by 14 door here. Going to be a man door with a couple windows on this side. Going to be 4 windows, I think it is, down this side. 4 windows down this side, and in the back there'll be 2 14 by 14 doors. So pull in, drop the RV, pull the truck out, and back the truck in on this side, and then this area over here will be a workshop. 40 by 60. Wow. It's bigger than the house. You can see the exit driveway over there. You know, we name our stuff. We have Zippy for the smart car, Leroy for the semi-tractor, Dixie for the RV, etc. We are now trying to come up with a short name for the RV garage, like the barn, the shop, man cave, but haven't come up with a name that sticks yet. If you have any ideas for a short, catchy name, let us know in the comments below. Appreciate it. Look how small the house looks like to the RV garage. $2,176 heated square feet.
That island don't look right.
I don't know. So this here is the bedroom. That is a dining area. Over there is a screened-in porch, living area, kitchen area, bathroom, closet, garage, office, and front bedroom, guest room, and another bathroom.
Maybe not. Give me have your hand.
I'm not moving.
You can move a little bit. Okay. Good.
Okay, this is a bad idea. Trying to get into the house here.
Bad idea.
I'm not sure how we're getting out of here.
You walk over this way.
So the porch will come out a little bit beyond the garage here. So this is going to be all covered. A little partially flat and partially cathedral ceiling. So that'll be a nice size covered front porch. So this will be our view from the front porch. We'll probably thin this out somewhat. Leave all the big trees. Take a lot of all the ground cover stuff off out of there. Little trees out. And there is a creek up in there. Real small creek. And then you can see obviously what the view is from the back screen porch too. And we're going to have a hot tub behind the bedroom back here. And of course you have the RV garage over there, so Dave can go out naked. He'd be covered.
I can jaybird it.
So here's the exit driveway. Coming out of the RV garage. Entrance driveways over there. We have started to check out the local restaurants, which many of them are family owned. And we like the hole-in-the-wall type restaurants versus franchises. And so far, we've come across some pretty nice ones. The Yona Burger has a good breakfast and burger. Rib Country, we really like this place. And their pricing is actually affordable. And you can have lunch in the evening as well. Creekside Cafe. They also have some good homemade food as well. So we're looking forward to checking out more of the restaurants, and they also have a lot of antique stores, which I'll be looking at for decorations on down the road. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below, even if it's just to say hi. Don't forget to subscribe.